So in today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the most talked about cryptocurrencies right now. So whilst there are thousands of coins out there, we're going to be focusing on the ones that seem to be capturing everybody's attention. And keep in mind that this list isn't in any specific order. And if you think there is a coin that deserves a spot, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Now, I have tried to make these ones different to the ones I have been talking about lately because I felt like I was kind of starting to repeat myself a little bit. And I was thinking I should only be talking about coins that I have personally invested in. But I don't think there's any rule against speaking out projects you're just interested in learning about. And that's the part that I actually find fun and that I enjoy doing. So these ones are a little bit different and hopefully you can find them interesting too. So let's jump into it. So number one that I want to talk about is CIFY. Now, this is a platform focused on supporting blockchain-based gaming projects from their early stages right through to successful deployment. And it serves as both an incubator and a launchpad ecosystem for crypto investors and developers. It is considered as a top-tier blockchain gaming launchpad, and it has a track record of launching over 50 projects, and it's offering the highest average return on investment within the industry. So its expertise lies in 2 key areas. So this is development of assets for virtual worlds, so metaverse assets, and in-game assets. So the utility token introduced by CIFY is SNFTs, and it serves multiple purposes. So it grants holders access to premium NFTs, non-fungible tokens, within the space, whilst also increasing their likelihood of gaining early access to NFT launches promoted through the launchpad. So we can see that it's currently sitting at 171 million for its market cap. So this is still a relatively small project, and whilst we can see that the chart over the last year is showing that this has been growing quite dramatically since around about August of last year. And in the last year, we can see that this has already gone up by 163%, which is super good. And I think that we can all agree that as we ramp up into the bull run, gaming is going to be a huge narrative. And I feel like I say this all of the time, but if we consider how many gaming style projects are going to be looking to launch this year, it does make CIFY perfectly placed for this, as they help with the initial game offerings, which is like launching a game for the first time. They also support making innovative blockchain games, help with getting the money for projects, build communities of gamers, and they come up with market plans for it. So if we take a quick look at the previous all-time high, so we can see that it hit an all-time high in November of 2021, which was $16.77, and we're currently at $2.95. And given that I am quite confident with gaming still being a big narrative as it is now compared to last bull run, we can possibly see this type of all-time high again, which we can see over here, this big spike. So this is one that I definitely find quite interesting because obviously we can see that they have managed to survive the bull run, which is pretty tricky in itself given that very few games, etc. will be launching in a bear market. So the fact that they have managed to make it through is a testament to how strong the project can be. And if we take a nosy back onto the website, we can see some of the upcoming projects that they have coming up. So if we also take a nosy back on the website here, we can see that these are the projects that they have coming up for launch and that they are currently running pools on. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see the ones as well where the pools have been completed for it, and we can see kind of the total amount that each one of these have raised. Okay, so number 2 is going to be ChainGPT. So ChainGPT is effectively AI specifically designed for Web3 blockchain and crypto. So it's all about revolutionizing the way that we interact with Web3, and it has a huge focus on enhancing the user experience and supporting startups. So ChainGPT brings a whole new level of innovation to the table. Now, it is a highly advanced language model powered by deep learning and transformer networks, and it's been extensively trained on vast dataset focusing on crypto and blockchain technology, which enables it to comprehend and respond to queries which are related to this field. So through the use of the sophisticated techniques like attention mechanisms, ChainGPT can also analyze input elements effectively and delivers more accurate responses to user questions. And this is also serving as a valuable resource for staying updated on the latest news and developments in the crypto and blockchain industry, and it also offers insights into crypto price predictions and provides assistance with programming for development tasks specific to crypto and the blockchain technology. So if we check out the chart for this, we can see that it's currently sitting at a market cap of just under $80 million. So this would be classed as a small cap coin, and its circulating supply is around about 38%, just over 38%. So this is lower than usually I would look for. I tend to always kind of have 80% in the circulating supply as a kind of benchmark. However, as the project was only launched, I believe it was launched in April, although CoinMarketCap seems to tell me it was October, but I'm sure I read up that it was April of 2023. So I do think that we can give it some slack on this, given that it hasn't been around to establish itself as much. So some of the things that are on offer with ChainGPT is the ChainGPT chatbot. They have an AI news auto model. They have smart contract generators and auditors. They have an NFT generator, blockchain analytics, advanced AI training, SDKs and API access. They also have the ChainGPT pad. So the pad actually offers the holders of CGPT token early access into AI projects, and it also has AI security extension. So obviously it has a lot of things going on it. If you take a look onto the website, there's so much information here. I wouldn't have time to go over it all, but it is a really interesting one to look into. The last one that I want to discuss with ChainGPT is their token staking that they offer. So they actually have a section on their website here which shows you the total amount of CGPT which is staked and the total dollar value of this. So currently they have nearly 26.5 million USD locked up. And if you scroll down here, you can see kind of what pools all have it locked up, which is super interesting as well. Now, the last one that I am looking at for this month is SUI. So this is SUI. So SUI represents groundbreaking advancement in blockchain technology, and it serves as a pioneering layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform. So unlike the traditional systems, it is purpose-built to revolutionise digital asset ownership by prioritising speed, privacy, security and accessibility for all users. So at its core, SUI adopts an innovative object-centric model, leveraging the Move programming language. So this unique approach facilitates parallel execution, ensuring they have lightning-fast transactions and finality within sub-second timeframes. SUI also boasts robust on-chain asset capabilities, which empowers users with the ability to interact with a diverse range of assets directly on this blockchain. And one of the big standout features of SUI is the horizontal scalability. So this enables seamless expansion of processing powers and storage capacity on it. And the scalability ensures that SUI can support a wide spectrum of applications whilst also maintaining the unparalleled speed and cost effectiveness of this. Now, it is currently sitting at a market cap of $1.8 billion, so this is more of a large cap than the other two that I have looked at. But if we take a look at DeFi Llama for the total value locked for this, it has increased significantly, and we can see the big spike in the total value locked here, and total value locked is currently sitting at $506 million. So this is also a really positive sign for them. So from SUI's groundbreaking advancements in blockchain technology to CIFY dynamic ecosystems supporting blockchain gaming, and of course the transformative capabilities of ChainGPT in respects to AI and Web3, I have found these three projects to be a slight of the most promising that we could see for this month, and I'm super excited to see how they could perform. So drop your favourite coins for February in the comments below, and I will see you the next time. Bye!